And the big flag flap could soon be a thing of the past in Greenville as a vote to change the city's flag ordinances is on the table at tonight's Planning and Zoning Commission. They'll vote on a proposal to allow a flag no bigger than 3,200 square feet to fly on a flagpole no taller than 130 feet on non-residential properties. The flap sparked when RV dealer Camping World started flying the huge American flag back in October. The flag has been flying on a pole that stands 120 feet, almost double the size of the current regulations. Tonight's meeting will be held at 6 p.m. in the council chambers in Greenville City Hall.